Ready? Uh-oh.
There's Matthew flying his plane. I'm flying my plane.
Again? Alright. Ready?
Ready?
I'm ready.
Go.
Go.
Matthew, can you tell Mommy how old are you?
Again.
Say I'm 1.
Again?
Make him tell me how old he is.
Mama.
Ready?
Mama.
Are you almost
Again?
2? How old are you? Are you almost 2? Are you going to be 2 in June?
Ready? Ready?
Say I'm going to be 2 in 1 month, and I'm a big boy.
Go.
Say bye, Mommy.
Bye, Mama.